Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set 7-zip as default in Windows. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply first of all make sure you have got yourself the 7-zip on your Windows. Now then you're gonna go ahead open up your 7-zip in your window. Once you have opened up that 7-zip right over here, you're gonna simply go ahead go to the section of tools right over here. Once you've tapped on it, you will find this kind of interface popping up. Now from the tools section, you're going to be tapping on this option of system right over here. Then once you're here in the system section, go ahead tap on this little plus icon. Once you tap on the plus icon, you will get all of the options where you can actually have the 7-zip installed or connected with. Go ahead, choose the one that you want to connect with. Now you're gonna choose all, or you can choose one particular file from over here. Once you choose that one, go ahead tap on this option of apply, which is right over here. Once I tapped on the apply, it will be applied on that file of yours and you're good to go. You can do that as many times as you want, and that is it. So hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.